Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathlite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 20C from chapter Cylinder, Cone and Sphere. So starting with question number 10, a solid sphere and a solid hemisphere have the same total surface area. Find the ratio between their volumes. You are given a solid sphere and a solid hemisphere and दोनों का total surface area is same. So there is this sphere and hemisphere, both are solids, okay, completely filled, दोनों का total surface area. So solid sphere का total surface area क्या हो जाएगा? It is 4 pi r square, ठीक है. And solid hemisphere का क्या होगा? It is 3 pi r square, okay. सॉलिड है, हॉलो नहीं है, सो ऑब्वियसली कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया सिर्फ नहीं होगा, देयर इज टोटल सरफेस एरिया दैट इज द बेस एरिया प्लस द कर्व्ड पार्ट. सो 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 3 पाई आर स्क्वायर. नाउ दोनों का टोटल सरफेस एरिया सेम है बट रेडियस तो सेम नहीं है, ओके. सो लेट इसका रेडियस बी आर एंड लेट इसका रेडियस बी कैपिटल आर, या फिर इसको R1 कर दो एंड हेमिस्फीयर को R2. ओके, फाइंड द रेशियो बिटवीन देयर वॉल्यूम्स. वॉल्यूम्स का रेशियो फाइंड करना है. इफ यू फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ द रेडाई यू कैन easily find the ratio of the volumes. So we'll use this condition to find the ratio of the radii first. Okay, so let us write down the given first. So total surface area of solid sphere is equal to total surface area of solid hemisphere. Now before this you have to write down, let the radius of the solid sphere be R1 and the radius of solid hemisphere be R2. So I'm not writing down the statement, I'm just writing down in short. Okay, solid sphere का radius is R1 and solid hemisphere का R2, ठीक है. Now total surface area is 4 pi R1 square and of hemisphere is 3 pi R2 square. Pi will get cancelled, ठीक है. 4 R1 square is equal to 3 R2 square. I want the ratio of the radii first, ठीक है. रेडियस के बीच में रिलेशन चाहिए. So what I'll do, I'll take radius on one side, okay. So R1 square upon R2 square हो जाएगा is equal to 3 upon 4. Now I don't want squares, I need to know the radius, so square root लेना पड़ेगा. So taking square root on both the sides, ठीक है. So if you take square root R1 upon R2, अच्छा उसके पहले take common square first, ठीक है. R1 upon R2 दोनों का common square लिया is equal to 3 upon 4. Now take square root, so you'll write down the reason. R1 upon R2 is equal to root of 3 is root 3 and root of 4 is 2. So R1 upon R2 का relation मिल गया. You can also write it as R1 is equal to root 3 upon 2 of R2, but I'm keeping this as it is, ठीक है. Now we have to find the ratio between the volumes. Now volume of sphere upon volume of hemisphere. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is divided by 2 by 3 pi, sorry R1 है, R2 cube, okay. So 4 by 3 pi R1 cube into, this will become reciprocal, so 3 will go in the numerator and rest all these will come in the denominator. When you turn division into multiplication, reciprocal हो जाता है. So this is 2 pi R2 cube. 3 will get cancelled, 2 2s are. Pi will also get cancelled. So 2r1 cube upon r2 cube है. Now you can also write r1 as √3 upon 2 r2 and just substitute that and solve it. ठीक है, r2 cancel हो जाएगा. Or you can follow this method that I am following. ठीक है, this is 2 into r1 upon r2 this whole thing का cube. ठीक है, दोनों में क्यूब है, so by law of indices I can take cube common. Now r1 upon r2 is nothing but √3 upon 2. So I'll substitute that, √3 upon 2 cube, sorry, not square. So this is equal to 2 into √3 का square, sorry cube, √3 into √3 into √3, √3 into √3 give 3. ठीक है, and ये √3 as it is रहेगा, so 3√3 upon 2 cube. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 4s are, so 3√3 upon 4. So ratio of the volumes is 3√3 upon 4. So it is 3√3 upon 4, that is equal to 3√3 is to 4. Okay. Proceeding to next question. Question number 11. Metallic spheres of radii 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm respectively are melted and recasted into a single solid sphere. Taking pi equal to 3.1, find the surface area of solid sphere formed. You have 3 metallic spheres. ठीक है, all 3 of them have different radii. So there are 3 spheres and you are melting these 3 spheres and you are recasting it into a solid, single solid sphere. ठीक है, these are also solid spheres. All right, एक का radius is 6 centimeter, एक का radius is 8 centimeter and इसका radius is 10 centimeters. Okay, you are melting all these 3 and forming a new sphere. All right, you have to find the surface area of the solid sphere. Obviously for surface area you need to know the radius. तो radius क्या है ये find करना है. Okay, now how to find the radius? You will find the radius by finding the volume of the sphere first. ये तीनों का volumes add करें, then you are going to get the volume of this sphere. ठीक है, ये तीनों spheres में जितना quantity का metal use किया है, तीनों का मेटल का वॉल्यूम ऐड करके इट इज गोइंग टू गिव द वॉल्यूम ऑफ दिस स्फीयर. सो V1 plus V2 plus V3 is going to give the volume of, sorry, this 4th sphere, this one solid sphere. Okay, so you can easily find the volume of these 3. Okay, you have the radii of all these 3. So you can easily find the radius of this sphere. All right, so let us write down the given first. Now let the radii of the 3 spheres be R1, R2 and R3 respectively, and the radius of the 4th sphere, okay, be R4. Let the radius of the sphere formed be R4. ठीक है, now we have to find the volume of these 3 spheres. So volume of sphere 1 plus volume of sphere 2 plus volume of sphere 3 is equal to volume of sphere formed. ठीक है, so volume का formula we'll substitute, that is 4/3 pi r1 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r2 cube plus 4 by 3 pi r3 cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi r4 cube. I have not written down the radius का values, ठीक है. You have to write down the radius का value. So r1 is equal to 6 centimeter, r2 is equal to 8 centimeter and r3 is equal to 10 centimeter. I forgot to write the values. Now we'll take 4 by 3 pi common, ठीक है. सब में से 4 by 3 pi common निकलेगा. So we are left with r1 cube plus r2 cube, cube plus r3 cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi r4 cube. 4 by 3 pi will get cancelled. So r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube is equal to r4 cube. Now you can't take cubes common, ठीक है ना. Plus sign है बीच में, so you can't take cubes common over here. So you have to find the individual cube values. Now r1 cube, that is 6 cube, plus r2 cube, that is 8 cube, and r3 cube, that is 10 cube, is equal to r4 cube. So r4 cube is equal to 6 cube is 216, 8 cube is 512, and 10 cube is 1000. Okay, so we'll add these. So r4 cube is equal to, this is 1728. अब इसको फैक्टराइज करते हैं, ठीक है. 1728, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 2 4s are 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 2s are 2 16s are 2 1s are 0 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 2 27s are 3 9s are 3, 3s are 3, 1s are. क्यूब है, सो यू हैव टू मेक ग्रुप ऑफ 3, ठीक है. 3 3 अलग बनेगा. सो 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So out of 3 you are going to select only one for cube root. So 3 2s है उसमें से एक, ये 3 2s है उसमें से एक, एंड ये 3 3s है उसमें से एक. So 2 into 2 into 3, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So r4 is equal to 12. Okay, so taking cube root on both the sides, therefore we got r4 is equal to 12 centimeters. Now it is easy to find the total surface area. Now the surface area of solid sphere is 4 pi r4 square. That is 4 into, it is 3.1. You have to not take 22/7. So it is 3.1 into r4 is 12. So 12 into 12. You just have to multiply these. It is 1785.6 centimeters square. Okay, so the surface area of solid sphere formed is 1785.6 centimeters square. Proceeding to next question. Question number 12. The surface area of a solid sphere is increased by 21% without changing its shape. Find the percentage increase in its first part radius, second part volume. You have a solid sphere, okay, but you are not told what is the surface area. You are just told that uska surface area is increased by 21%. So there is some solid sphere, okay, it has some surface area. Okay, so let's say uska surface area is x. We are just assuming it to be x, all right, and its new surface area is increased by 21%. Okay, new surface area is greater. So this surface area में you are adding 21%. So this surface area plus 21%, that is 21 upon 100. 21% of how much? 21% of this original surface area. So this is for original sphere and this is for the new sphere. ठीक है? So original का surface area is this much and new का surface area is old plus 21% of the old value. Okay? Now, what is the formula for surface area? We need to substitute the formula ka value. Why? Because we want it in terms of radius. We somehow need to find the percentage increase in radius. And if we can find the percentage increase in radius, it will become easy to find the percentage increase in volume. So, what is the formula for surface area? It is 4 pi r square. Now new surface, new sphere का जो radius होगा, okay, that will be different. It is not going to be same. It has increased. So let its radius be capital R. Okay, so this will be 4 pi r square. So this 4 pi r square is equal to this and this 4 pi r square is equal to this. ये इससे equal है और ये इससे equal है. ठीक है? Now we have to somehow build a relation between this small r and this capital R. Okay, because we need to find the percentage increase in the radius. So let us first write down the information given to us. For original sphere and for new sphere. Okay, for original sphere, let the radius be r centimeter. ठीक है? And over here let the radius be capital R centimeter. Now we assume the surface area to be x. ठीक है? So let the surface area be x centimeter square. And over here it will be x plus 21% of x. So we have to write down that the surface area has increased. Okay, so the surface area increases by 21%. Therefore the new surface area will be equal to x plus 21% of x, that is 21 upon 100 into x, this whole thing, centimeter square. Okay, now we'll substitute the formulae. Okay, so the surface area of original sphere will be 4 pi r square. So 4 pi r square is equal to x, barabar, because surface area we have assumed to be x, so this x is equal to 4 pi r square. Now we'll substitute it over here. ठीक है? New surface area, ठीक है, new SA will be what? 4 pi capital R square. This 4 pi capital R square is equal to this thing, right? So this is equal to x plus 21 upon 100 into x, right? Iska surface area is this much. We have assumed this, right? X plus 21% of x and uska formula substitute kiya. So this is equal to this. Now we got x equal to 4 pi r square. So can we write 4 pi r square over here? We'll just substitute this over here in place of x. So this will become 4 pi r square plus 21 upon 100 into 4 pi r square is equal to 4 pi capital R square. I'll solve it over here. Now we just substituted the value of x. 4 pi r square दोनों में common है. I can take 4 pi r square common. So 4 pi r square common ले लिया. We are left with, यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं बचेगा, only 1 plus यहाँ पे 21 upon 100 is equal to 4 pi capital R square. I can cancel out 4 pi. ठीक है. So R square, I'll solve this. 100 into 1 will give 100 plus 21 upon 100 is equal to R square. So 100 plus 21 gives 121 upon 100 into R square is equal to capital R square. Now 121 upon 100, these two are perfect squares. Okay, and over here also I have squares, so I can take square root on both the sides. So taking square root on both the sides, we get 11r upon 10 is equal to r. Okay, now we somehow built the relation between the radius, okay, both the radii, but we want percentage increase in radius. We want percentage increase, and what is the formula for percentage increase? Percentage change in radius will be what? Percentage किसका फाइंड करें? चेंज का. सो चेंज इन रेडियस. ठीक है. Percentage change, that means you have to find change in radius upon what? The original radius. Okay, you find it with respect to the original one, so upon original radius into 100, because we are finding percentage. So percentage change in radius is change in radius upon original radius. We know original radius is r. Change in radius find करना है. That is, change in radius is capital R minus small r, new radius minus the old radius. Okay, so we have to find that first. So we need to find change in radius. So let us find the change in radius first. So change in radius is what? New radius minus old radius. So new radius minus old radius. But new radius क्या है? It is 11r upon 10. Okay, so 11r upon 10 minus r. Let us solve this. So 11r minus 10r upon 10. This will give r upon 10. So I found change in radius. Now I'll substitute this over here. Change in radius is r upon 10 divided by original radius, that is r, into 100. So r upon 10 into 1 upon r हो जाएगा. Whenever I turn division into multiplication, it becomes reciprocal. ठीक है, तो r will go in the denominator. So into 100. r gets cancelled. 10 tens are 100. So 10 बचेगा. So percentage change in radius is 10%. So it has increased by 10%. You have to write down. ठीक है. Find the percentage increase in radius. So it has obviously increased. So percentage increase in radius is 10%. Okay. Now in second part we need to find the percentage increase in volume. So percentage change in volume will be what? Change in volume upon original volume. ठीक है. किसका परसेंटेज फाइंड कर रहे हैं? चेंज इन वॉल्यूम का. सो चेंज इन वॉल्यूम पता होना चाहिए. अपॉन ओरिजिनल वॉल्यूम इनटू 100. ठीक है. नाउ आई नीड टू फाइंड चेंज इन वॉल्यूम फर्स्ट. चेंज इन वॉल्यूम विल बी व्हाट? न्यू वॉल्यूम माइनस द ओल्ड वॉल्यूम. ओके. सो चेंज in volume is new volume minus the original volume or old volume. Now what is the new volume? 4 by 3 pi capital R cube, and this is 4 by 3 pi small r cube. I can take 4 by 3 pi common, so 4 by 3 pi r cube minus r cube. Now what is r? 11 r upon 10. So 11 r upon 10. This whole thing का cube, don't forget this, minus small r cube. So 4 by 3 pi 11r, 11 का cube is 1331 and r का cube is r cube upon 10 का cube is 1000 minus r cube. Okay, now we'll solve this inner bracket first. So this becomes 4 by 3 pi 1331 r cube minus 1000 r cube upon 1000. तो ये हो जाएगा 4 by 3 pi 1331 minus 1000, that gives 331. ठीक है, 331 r cube upon 1000. Now I'll keep this as it is. ठीक है, and original क्या है? Original, I know, original volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. I need these two and I'll just substitute it over here. So ये हो जाएगा 4 by 3 pi 331 r cube upon 1000. ठीक है, divided by original one, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube into 100. ठीक है, now I'll turn this division into multiplication, so it will become reciprocal. ठीक है, 4 by 3 into 331 upon 1000 r cube है, into, it will become reciprocal, so denominator will go in the numerator and numerator का सब terms आ जाएगा denominator में, into 100. 4 pi भी है, sorry, pi gets cancelled, 4 gets cancelled, 3 cancel हो जाएगा. Okay, 0 0 0 r cube. So we are left with 331 upon 10. Okay, 331 upon 10 is nothing but 33.1. So we get 33.1%. So change in volume, that is percentage increase in volume, is 33.1%. Okay, so I'm not writing down the final statement. You have to write down the percentage increase in volume is 33.1%.